Welcome to Tagbilaran City in Bohol and welcome to Antro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The Bohol province, including Tagbilaran City, was home to indigenous groups with their own distinct languages, culture, and traditions. Some of the indigenous groups in Bohol include the Boholanos or Bol-Anon, Panglao, Askaya, and Tiguahanon Manobo, the latter originating from Mindanao but have also settled in some parts of Bohol. Pre-colonial societies in the region were primarily engaged in agriculture, fishing, and trade. The social structure of pre-colonial societies in Bohol involved extended families or clans. Leadership roles were often held by respected individuals or elders within the community. The local chief, known as Datu, played a crucial role in governance. Animistic beliefs in the worship of nature spirits, deities, and ancestral spirits were integral to the spiritual practices of pre-colonial societies in the region. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to seek protection, good harvest, and communal well-being. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions were primarily oral. Elders played a crucial role in passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. The Tagbilaran Strait served as the site for the pre-colonial kingdom of Kedatuan of the Pitan, otherwise known as Bohol Kingdom, to denote the Taoist Mansasa polity in the present-day city of Tagbilaran and the neighboring island of Panglao. A polity refers to an organized political entity or system, often characterized by a specific form of government or administrative structure. Bohol Kingdom held significant power in its time, marked by the presence of thousands of stilt houses above the sea waters of the strait and numerous residents along the shorelines of Tagbilaran to Baclayon, and from Tutulan to Biking in Dawis. Dawis is one of the oldest municipalities in the whole of Bohol. The kingdom's influence extended over Bohol, Siquijor, Tanjay, Negros Oriental, northern Mindanao from Zamboanga to Surigao, southern Leyte, and eastern Mindanao up to Davao Oriental. The Bohol Kingdom received embassies, including one from Ternate in Indonesia. It is said that the immediate cause of kingdom's downfall involved ambassadors from Ternate making inappropriate advances, leading to a punitive act by the ruling prince. In retaliation, the king of Ternate vowed revenge against the Bohol Kingdom, leveraging the presence of the Portuguese in Ternate. The arrival of the Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Tagbilaran City. The influences of colonial rule, changes in governance, and the introduction of Christianity have shaped the modern cultural landscape of the area. Bohol is known for the Sandugo, a traditional Filipino ritual of friendship or blood compact, which took place between Spanish explorer Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and Datu Sicatuna, a local chieftain in Bohol. This event is considered one of the earliest recorded treaties of friendship between the indigenous Filipinos and the Spanish colonizers. The Blood Compact took place on March 16, 1565 in the area believed to be in Barangay Bohol in Tagbilaran. This was just a few days after Legazpi's arrival in the Philippines. The name Tagbilaran was derived from the word Tagubilaan, a contraction of two local dialect terms at that time. Tagu meaning to hide, and Bilaan referring to Moros or Muslim groups. Hence, Tagbilaran means to hide from the Moros, showing the Spanish origin of the present namesake, giving a false sense that the Muslim locals are quote-unquote dangerous and so should be feared and defeated. Tagbilaran eventually witnessed occupations by the United States during the Philippine-American War and the Imperial Japan during World War II. Sitio Ubos, also known as Lower Town, represents Tagbilaran's former harbor area and stands as the city's oldest section. Functioning as a bustling trading center from the 17th century until the early 20th century, it holds the distinction of hosting the oldest and most extensive collection of heritage houses in Bohol. Currently, Tagbilaran City serves as the provincial capital of Bohol, functioning as the primary center for commerce and standing as the sole city on the island. Recognized as the primary entry point to the island province of Bohol, it bears the title City of Peace and Friendship.